Careful. Careful, don't hit my finger. Okay.
Welcome back. It's Ayan Playtime. Today we are making a DIY, a Mafia kit. Let me show you. Okay, these are all my tools.
What is it?
It's a hammer and measuring tape and safety glass and screwdriver and another screwdriver and a best. Let's open it now. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, that's funny. It fell off. How do I look?
You look so cool, man.
Now let's wear this.
Is that how you wear it, Anne?
No. Now let's put my glasses on. There's something in here too. What in these boxes?
I don't know. Why don't you open it up?
This is for a Jeep and this is for a tank. Let's make a Jeep first.
Okay, open up the box.
Wow. Whoa. It's a cool Jeep. Oh, parts are cool and small parts. Look at it.
What are those?
Tires.
Tires?
Yes. Look, taste. This is all wooden pieces. Now let's follow the instructions. No.
And what are these?
Nails.
Okay.
Let's put the other one. Let's see what next. Let's measure this.
What are you measuring, Anne?
This hood.
That's a hood?
Yes.
I think that's the body of the car. That's the chassis.
4 size.
Huh?
4 size. No, 5.
That's 5 inches?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, what's next?
What next? We need to put screws. Now what's another one?
You gonna put the other one?
Where is that? See.
How many seats are there?
2.
2? Where's the other one? Let's do one at a time. Let's do the first one and then the second one.
Okay. That's under the other one. Let me see the paper. It's perfect.
Oh.
Now it's the hole. Now let's do the other side. Now we need to do 3 holes.
Which ones?
There and there and there.
Okay, grab some more nails.
One at a time. Yeah. Wala ko sa'yo. Wow. So like a full car. Now we need to complete it. Interesting. Let's measure this. It's 4.
What 4?
It's the 4 here.
It's just 4?
Yes.
I think that's 6, Ayan.
What's the thing 4?
That's a 4?
No.
What is that?
Flat.
It's a 5.
No, there is. Where is?
Where is it?
I don't know.
Okay, let's continue.
Oh,
Okay, let's put the hood on.
hold on. Yes. Uh-oh. No. Oh no, we did it wrong.
What did you do, Ayan?
You see that?
I told you to do that?
Yes.
No, I didn't.
You see.
No, I didn't.
No.
This was supposed to go the other way.
No.
Okay, now we have to take it off.
Now let's do the right way.
Is that how it goes?
Yes.
No, I don't think so, Ayan.
No, look this. The same.
No, I think this needs to go out a little more. Nope, more. I think a little more.
How little more?
I think this goes all the way up to like the front. There you go, like that. See, now that looks like a real car. That
No.
looks like a real Jeep. Okay, now I think you need to put the nails on these sides first. Let's do it. Hammer. Okay, here.
How is that cloudy? Oh, it's fresh.
All right, let's put the tires on. Tires? Okay. Let's see. Those are the back tires.
It's the back
And
tire.
those are the front ones.
This is the front. Papa, hold this. No, I'm going. This.
Yeah, don't hit my hand, Ayan. Be careful. Careful. Careful, don't hit my finger.
The last one. No. Into my palm a little bit. Yeah. Now I'm going to.
Careful, be careful. Ah, my finger! Ouch!
Oh, that was it. All done.
Okay.
Papa, hold this.
Okay, there you go. There you go. All right. Ah, ow!
Papa, look, it's almost done. Let's just put this sticker on. Uh-oh. Can you help me, Papa?
Yeah, let me help you.
But
Other side.
where? Here?
Yeah.
Now we are all done. Now I can clear it. Look. How clean is it?
Wow.
Look, friends, this is how you make Jeep. Bye, friends! Thank you all watching. Subscribe to my channel. Like, share, and subscribe. I love you all. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram.